Oh? Huh? Ayo. Hi friends, welcome back. We all check reviews before buying something, right? And most of us would skip a seller who argues with their customers. Today, let's talk about what to do when you're the seller and you get that dreaded 1-star review. The first step is simple but not easy. Pause. Take a breath. Don't reply in the heat of the moment. Your customer is frustrated, and a defensive response can make things worse. When you're ready, begin by thanking them for their feedback, even if it feels unfair. It shows professionalism and lets other shoppers see you care about customer experience. If the review points to a real issue, acknowledge it and share how you will improve. If something is inaccurate, politely offer context without calling anyone a liar. No arguing, no name calling, ever. You can also invite the customer to contact you directly to sort things out. It shows you are serious about solving problems and keeps details off the public page. Hard as it is, use the feedback as free research. Check if there is a pattern, slow shipping, unclear instructions, quality issues, then fix it to prevent future negatives. Sometimes reviews are flat out fake or violate the platform's rules. Spam, hate speech, or competitor sabotage. Report those. That's the line you can draw. Finally, don't dwell. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews and let the positive ones outweigh the bad. One negative comment isn't the end of your business. It's just part of running one. So remember, stay calm, stay kind, and treat every review as a chance to show professionalism. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and share your own tips in the comments. See you next time.